What do you think, Moose? Hey, no growling. You guys be nice. Zoom. Hey, you guys be nice. Oh, man. Well, good luck. My dad had both of his hips replaced, and if I can tell you one thing, it's all about doing the physical therapy after you get out of the surgery. These two are wound up right now. What are you doing, Raven? Hey, I don't think Moose likes that. Geez, well, I'll be praying that everything goes right for you. What do you think, Moose? You're a good boy. Geez, look how deep that hole's getting. You can almost disappear down there, Moose. Yeah, no kidding. Well, they're both like 100 pounds now. So if that gives any representation of how deep this hole's getting. Whoosh, they're still fast as hell though. Yeah, you know, I have a sled, and I never got both of them hooked up this season together, but maybe next year I'll get it going in the yard. I'm more comfortable on skis because I've been skiing my whole life, so I might stick with ski joring, but it would be cool to get them both hooked up together. They've definitely got the strength. The sled I have might need a little work though, it's kind of old school. Hey, you knocked over the water bottle. Water bowl, I mean. Well, that means I need to refill it. You didn't spill anything. Empty water bowl. That's no good. We'll get you some more water in a little bit when we go back in.